Wait, alright, I gotta go, like, over this way.
Okay.
Oh, sorry,
okay.
yeah, right this way. Wait, actually, no, I think I took a wrong turn.
Oh,
right
okay.
over here.
Yes. No, I'm so hungry. Wait, have you tried this? It's
Yeah.
it's new. It's a Chinese place for some reason. Are you good over that? Are you sure this is good?
Oh yeah, no, I'm having fun.
You do this a lot.
It's kind of weird, cause I mean, is it just me or does it like?
What?
Just look like me.
I don't know what you're seeing. It looks like, I don't know, like some fried chicken or something.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I mean,
swear, like.
Let me take a closer look. Okay, there you are.
Okay, right up here. Yeah.
Right over here.
I think maybe. Don't worry about the door.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, there you are. Finally.
Is this normal? Wait.
Oh gosh. What are you talking about?
No, but like, no, just like look at it. Like compare that to like here. These two things look nothing alike.
What are you talking about? You're holding.
But they look nothing alike, right?
You're holding the same item.
What? Oh.
You're
Yeah, sure, yeah, you can come in. Yeah, here, let me just like.
Yeah. Okay, just give me.
Yeah. Yeah, 1 second. Let me just. Sorry, the door can be a bit of a.
Yeah, that's a little.
The door can be a bit of a trouble. Yeah, just. Yeah, just like. Oh, we should also help me close the door behind me.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure thing.
We don't want anyone getting in.
Yeah. Obviously. Maybe this one is. Oh.
Hey, man. Hey.
Hey.
It's good seeing you here.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
You left this open again?
This...
I thought I told you to close this.
Sorry.
Especially
Yeah. No, I thought I.
Like.
Wait, I thought I had closed it. Oh wait.
You think he's still in there?
Maybe it's. He might have gotten out. I mean, like, if he left it open, maybe he just like forgot to close it. You know?
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, like. Wait, no. I think I can see him.
Oh,
No!
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, diamonds. Oh my god, right. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hope you like this gameplay video.
We are Charlie.